How to link hidden pages to Squarespace website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to link a page or a hidden page into your Squarespace website. So the process is going to be very easy and very simple. We're going to head over to squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and then we're going to find the account dashboard. So once we have the access to it, we're going to select the website that we want to have the procedure on. Click on go to website and wait for a few seconds. Normally it is going to take you to this specific page. Now this is the standard page. Now we are going to head over the home page, and normally it is going to be something like that. So this is the website editor from Squarespace. We're going to head over the left side of the screen, click from here, pages, and then we're going to find the main navigation, which is going to be the menu bar right there, or the menu that you're going to find in here, and also the not linked or the hidden one. So these are going to be hidden, like the home one or the home page is going to be hidden from here. The inquire or the privacy policy and the work page are going to be, as you can see, hidden. How to link them? Basically, it is going to be very simple. Either you are going to take that specific page and grab it from here to the main navigation, like that, and it is going to be here appearing. Or if you're going to let them hidden and only appear on a specific button or a specific text, you can go ahead and add some elements or a block, and then you're going to find it. Click on edit. I'm going to show you here how you can add a block and find or link that hidden page. Click on add block. Add maybe a button or text. For example, I'm going to add a text, or I'm going rather to add a button. This button is going to contain a text of maybe home, like that. I'm going to make it smaller, like that. Put it here. We're going to link it by click on edit link. Now we're going to have, as you can see, the URL. I'm going to let it as URL and click on the field right there. So we're going to find the main navigation links and also the hidden navigation. So we are going to click on home, and we're either are going to open the link in a new tab or let it as it is. So this button is going to be clickable and it will take us to the hidden page, which is going to be home. I mean by that, hidden from the navigation. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.